This is a flatbed garbage truck right here. It's backing up to get the load. It's pulling the garbage container up with hydraulic pull. It's going to pull the garbage container out a little bit so it can lift it and put it on the flatbed. So right now you have the pulley pulling the garbage container onto the flatbed. As you see, part of the flatbed has elevated. It does this to assist with the pulley pulling the garbage container on the flatbed. As the container is pulled onto the flatbed will slowly go back to a level playing field. And this is how a garbage truck with a flatbed hauls away its container. Simple as that. Right there is the empty space where the container was.